Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas and today I am doing a quick unboxing of the Logitech G335 gaming headset. I believe this thing retails for around $69.99 US dollars. I don't know for sure. This was sent to me through Best Buy's Tech Insider program, but that won't bias my unboxing in any way because I don't know how it can. Anyways, let's do a quick first impressions. So obviously on the front you've got the Logitech headset. On the side, it has technical specs. The weight is 240 grams, which is pretty light for a headset. The driver is 40 millimeter, and the frequency response is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. The impedance is 36 ohms, and the sensitivity is not important because nobody cares. And the pickup pattern for the microphone is cardioid, unidirectional, with the normal frequency response for those guys. It is compatible with any device with a 3.5 millimeter aux port. On the back here, you've just got a little bit more of the same. Over here it says reversible soft adjustable straps, which they're super happy about. The soft memory foam ear pads, which I'm super excited about because I love soft memory foam ear pads. The 40 millimeter drivers, 3.5 millimeter audio connection. You've got your voice controls with flip to mute, which is always a nice thing. And then you also have dedicated voice or volume controls on, it looks like, the left ear cup there. And then soft suspension strap has a barely there feel and just a fit, which I'm kind of excited, going for kind of the same thing that SteelSeries, the Arctis line, goes for. Just plug and play for anything with 3.5 millimeter. There we go. So that's the initial unboxing. Let's actually get this bad boy opened up. Boop. Always like when they put like instructions here. So the headset plugs into your computer or into your controller, and then you flip the mic up to mute, and then I don't know what that, adjustments, and then I don't know, some other adjustments. We'll find out here soon. One thing I do want to say, this is part of like their color things, which I'll get into in a little bit later. So keep playing. Right here up on the front, you've got a wire back there already. How do I open this black magic? I'm doing it wrong. Hello? I knew what I was doing. I don't know what you guys are talking about, okay? This is a judgment-free zone. Then we've got the headset itself, which is strapped in. Boom. This thing. There we go. The color collection, that's what I was talking about a little bit earlier. The color collection, welcome to the fresh new take on gaming gear. Logitech G performance and quality meets fun, vibrant color, playstyle matters, choose yours. And obviously this headset comes in a few different colors. Of course, everybody's favorite thing, a sticker, is actually pretty malleable. It's rubber, not bad. I don't think I'll mind it. This headset actually looks rather small, but over here on the right side, we've got the right ear cup. Not a whole lot going on there. You've got some shiny gloss right here, and then you've got the matte black with some more shiny gloss with the G logo. 335. I mean, this thing, it's definitely plasticky, but it feels light. Feels like it's pretty well made. I mean, I'm not noticing any creaking from just me pressing on it. And then we've got the same thing on the other side. With the flip to mute mic, you can actually, right here, you can feel a little like click of when you know it's activated or unactivated. This is quite malleable, which is a nice thing. I like that. That way you can get it in the ideal position so your teammates can hear your calls. And then also on this left ear cup, you've got your volume control rocker right there, which I don't think is in focus, but it's pretty nice. That requires kind of soft movement to move back and forth. Not bad at all. I'm enjoying it, and I believe that's it. If we press the ear cups themselves, also not bad. You can actually feel some of the memory foam-ness. So let's put this bad boy on. All right, so let's actually try these guys on for the first time. Oh. Very reminiscent of SteelSeries for sure. It's one of those that I can definitely feel like, but more comfortable than SteelSeries for sure. I think I'm gonna like these. They feel very lightweight. When I'm moving around, I don't hear a whole lot. Like there's some passive noise isolation going on right now where I hear my voice a lot better now than I do here. Cord doesn't seem like it's doing a lot of microphonics, which is when the cord rubs against your body and creates sound that you can then hear in your ear cup. appears to be minimal for me. I can hear it a little bit, but it's very, very minor. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is it's got a, this is for your PC, where if your PC has a dedicated headset and microphone port, you would use this, where one would go into the other, and then it goes to a single 3.5mm jack. So that's nice to see that that's included. This also feels quite high quality. I like that it's kind of double insulated here. It also looks like it's got some more insulation there to not pick up background noise. So that's pretty cool. Jump into some Days Gone. That's the game that I've been playing recently. Been enjoying it. I don't think that there's going to be a way that I'm going to be able to test this microphone, so you'll have to check the actual review for that, because ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, so just dived into some Days Gone, and it's one of those right off the bat compared to my much more expensive headphones. I can tell that the bass quality on these is not as good. Other sounds though so far, not bad. Let's go see if we can save this dude. Of course not, but we can get in a fight, so that'll work. I got no ammo. Oh, there would be wolves, man. If I don't die, I'm gonna be so impressed with myself. Behind the tree. Heal it up. Dude, you're still not reloaded? Come on, my dude. Okay, everybody's dead. We lived. I can hear some pretty good, like, footsteps sound good. Let's play a little bit of music real quick on this guy as well. I like that this mic also just kind of like blends in with everything. Is pretty cool. Starting up a little bit of Mary Did You Know by Pentatonics. Always a good test song. I hear a little bit of congestion or muddiness. It's mild. Sounds are a little processed, all of which I expect at this price point. I've watched a few YouTube videos, played a few games, listened to a little bit of music, and kind of my first impressions on the sound are a little bit disappointing. I went in originally being like, oh, these might be good. I am still very satisfied on like how good of sound you can get for how cheap these days, because back in the day, man, headsets were not good, and they've come a long way in the last several years. So I'm happy about that you can get really good sound for not a whole lot of money. However, the more expensive headphones are still worth it, in my opinion. But for this guy, sounds are a little bit processed, highs are a little bit harsh and sibilant, mids are probably the best part, and bass seems a little bit anemic to me, where it's not as boomy as I would like. The directional quality, however, seems to be pretty spectacular. I was really impressed with the directional quality, where I definitely thought that I could hear where people were coming at from the sides and stuff, and was definitely impressed with that. With a semi, probably like medium, small/medium size soundstage. Once again, first impressions, everything is likely to change. So far, I think the build quality on these guys is solid. They're very comfortable. Don't know about the microphone quality, and the sound quality is kind of hit or miss. But again, these are $70 headphones, $60, $70 headphones. I don't expect a whole lot. And for what you're getting so far, I think it's, I'm on the fence. I don't know if this is a recommendation or not for me, but I'm not disappointed, but I am disappointed, so further testing is needed. Anyways, if you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a dislike. And of course, if you've been following my content for a while, hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to plug in more with me, you could hit up my social medias that I never use. Peace out, my dudes.